The plasma membrane is a complex structure made up of several components, including lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Its detailed structure can be described as follows. Lipids. The main component of the plasma membrane is lipids, which are arranged in a bilayer. The lipids are amphipathic, meaning they have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic regions. The two layers of lipids in the bilayer are arranged with their hydrophilic heads facing outwards towards the extracellular environment and the cytoplasmic environment, while the hydrophobic tails face inward, away from the water. The lipids that make up the plasma membrane are primarily phospholipids, which consist of a glycerol molecule, two fatty acid chains, and a phosphate group. Phospholipids are arranged with their hydrophilic head facing outwards and their hydrophobic tails facing inwards, forming the bilayer structure of the membrane. Proteins. Proteins are another important component of the plasma membrane. They are embedded within the lipid bilayer, either partially or completely. The proteins can have a variety of functions, such as transporting molecules in and out of the cell, acting as receptors for signaling molecules, and catalyzing chemical reactions. There are two types of proteins in the plasma membrane: integral proteins and peripheral proteins. Integral proteins are embedded within the lipid bilayer, while peripheral proteins are located on the surface of the membrane. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are found on the outer surface of the plasma membrane and are covalently bonded to lipids or proteins. They form a glycoprotein or glycolipid coat called the glycocalyx, which plays a role in cell recognition and adhesion. Other components. The plasma membrane may also contain cholesterol, which helps to stabilize the lipid bilayer and prevent it from becoming too rigid or too fluid. Additionally, there may be other molecules such as glycolipids, glycoproteins, and signaling molecules present in the membrane.